You are welcome. In this video, we are looking at how to withdraw from Bybit. Bybit is one of the top exchange with high liquidity, and this is how the interface looks like. This is the app here. I will show you the app. This is Bybit app. If you don't have it, I'll be dropping the link in the comment section and the description section for you to go and copy the link and restart with Bybit. So once you click on Bybit and open it, this is what you see. This is the home, the market, the derivatives, the trade, and the asset. So basically, I will do more videos on how to do other things on Bybit, but in this video we are looking at how to withdraw. So if you want to withdraw your funds, you can see deposit or buy fiat. You click on asset, come to your asset here. So basically, this is our asset. So what do you want to withdraw? Here we are withdrawing. When you come to the asset, go to spot. This is spot. Tap on spot. Then which coin do you want to withdraw? You tap on the coin. It's either you tap on the coin here or you go and tap on withdraw. So let's click on withdraw. So when you tap on withdraw, you will choose any of the coins you want to withdraw. So now we are withdrawing. We want to withdraw Matic. So I click on Matic. And so basically, once you click on Matic, the next step is to copy the address and the network. So we are withdrawing it to gate.io, and this can also serve as how to deposit in gate.io. It's another exchange. So I want to deposit. I'll now go to gate.io. It's normal way. Once we are in gate.io, you click on wallet, same thing. Tap on wallet, tap on deposit, on chain. I've done video on how to withdraw from gate.io and how to deposit. You can watch it and check. If you never watch it before, go to our video and watch it. And remember to subscribe and share. I give you 1 second. Share, support this channel. That is the only thing we're asking for you. Just support, share, like, comment, and share. Thanks for commenting and for sharing. So now let's move on. We'll now tap on Matic. It's Matic that I want to deposit. So we're using Polygon network. We have Ethereum network. We have Polygon network. So in this one, I'm going to use Polygon network. So once you tap on the Polygon network, you select the address. You tap on this copy icon and copy it. You show copy. So now we'll now go back to the Bybit and paste the address here. Paste the address here. So this is it. We paste the address. Okay, paste. So this is the address and the network. We choose the network. We have Matic, BIP20, ERC20, but we are using we can cross-check between Matic and BIP20. Which one is cheaper in network fee? So let me check Matic. What is network fee? Matic network fee is 0.1 Matic. So let me check how much the network fee for BIP20. BIP20 network fee is 0.08 Matic. So can I say that it is cheaper to use BIP20 than using Matic network? Let's go back and come home again. Look at Matic network. The network fee is 0.1 Matic. Then BIP20 network. So it means I'll go back to where I want to withdraw from, want to deposit, and I'll select BIP20. BIP20 because BIP20 is cheaper. BIP20 network. So I'll go back. This is it. Select no BIP20. Okay, so I have to move on with the Polygon network. It's alright. Had it been that BIP20, I was choosing BIP20 here, but not BIP20. We'll use the Polygon network. So this is how you need to do all this cross-checking. It's very important you do all these cross-checkings. So having selected the network, I'll check the address. This address ends with 727. I'll check it. 727. Alright. So I want to withdraw all. If I want to withdraw any amount, I can put the amount. If I want to withdraw all, keep on maximum. Click on what? Maximum. Then you are withdrawing from spot because the money is in spot. So the next step is we'll click on withdraw. Okay, confirm withdrawal. So you can see we are going to get code from email. Click on send code. Now how to run to the email and go and get your code from the email. Okay, it's loading and remember it's counting. All right, so this is the code here. Copy the code and paste it within the cam. It's made 18 seconds. I need to be fast about it. Oh, paste. So the next one, the Google Authenticator. It may not show my screen because of security. I need to go to Google Authenticator and copy my authenticator Bybit. Okay, this is it. I've copied it. I will come and paste it. Then confirm. Okay. Wow. So withdraw application submitted. So it's submitted. So now we can wait for a little and check for it in the account. So basically, this is how to withdraw from Bybit. So thanks for watching. If you find this video educative, subscribe and support our channel. Show us some love. Subscribe and also get other video. Watch. You have other videos on how to stake Ethereum in a Binance. If you want to watch that, you can see it at the end of this video or check the comment section. So thanks for watching and let's meet at the top. In my next video, I'll be showing us how to stake in Get.io, how to lend and earning your coin, earn passive income using Get.io exchange. So thank you.